legend reborn with unparalleled craftsmanship. The 1967 Chevrolet Impala Restomod stands as a masterpiece where classic muscle meets modern innovation. Before exploring the breathtaking transformation of this icon, join a community where automotive excellence is celebrated and passion for performance thrives, emerging from an era when American muscle cars ruled the streets. The 1967 Impala was designed with power and luxury in mind. Originally, it came with an array of engine options, including the robust 327 small block and the monstrous 427 big block V8, making it a force to be reckoned with. Now, through meticulous Restomod enhancements, this timeless machine is reimagined with cutting-edge performance, technology, and design. Under the hood, LS-based engines like the LS3, LT4, or even an LSX create staggering power outputs exceeding 700 horsepower. Turbocharged or supercharged configurations amplify its muscle, while a modernized transmission, whether a 6-speed manual or a high-performance automatic, ensures seamless power delivery. Upgraded suspension components, including coilovers and independent rear suspension, provide precision handling that rivals modern sports cars. Stepping inside, the fusion of vintage charm and contemporary comfort becomes evident. Plush leather bucket seats, a fully digital instrument cluster, and an advanced infotainment system with Bluetooth and navigation redefine its interior experience. Enhanced soundproofing ensures a refined ride, while custom upholstery and ambient lighting add a touch of sophistication. The driving experience is further elevated with a billet steering wheel and carbon fiber trim, seamlessly blending past and present. The exterior retains its signature long, aggressive silhouette but is redefined with subtle yet striking modifications. LED headlights and taillights bring a modern touch, while staggered deep dish wheels wrapped in performance tires enhance its stance. A lower ride height and sculpted fenders emphasize its commanding presence, while a refined paint finish, often in deep metallic hues, ensures that it remains a showstopper on any road. With values skyrocketing, a well-executed Restomod Impala can command anywhere from $150,000 to over $350,000, depending on custom modifications and craftsmanship. This blend of nostalgia and innovation has made it highly desirable among collectors and enthusiasts who seek a piece of automotive history infused with modern performance. An icon that refuses to fade, the 1967 Chevrolet Impala Restomod embodies the perfect balance of raw power and refined engineering. Stay tuned as we dive into more legendary builds and be part of a community that fuels the passion for classic muscle cars redefined for the modern era.